BOSCH 30-piece mixed router burr accessory set, 8mm 30 pieces. BOSCH's mixed 30-piece set is one of those serious hobbyist bundles. It's aimed at people who want one box that covers everything from rubbits to roundovers to flush trim and carving burrs, and it's built to the BOSCH professional standard. The official listings show this as a 30-piece mixed router accessory set, 8mm shank on some international listings, and retail pricing varies by region and seller. So check the current listing for the live price and shipping options. I pulled the product listing and spec sheet to make sure I didn't miss any bits. For anyone filming a tool review, BOSCH's packaging and a variety of bit profiles make for a satisfying unboxing. On the tools themselves, BOSCH uses micrograin carbide tips with heat treating and anti-friction coatings in many of their professional sets. That means the bits are designed to give a smooth finish and hold an edge better than generic bargain parts. Customers who buy BOSCH sets typically report noticeably cleaner finishes and longer life than unnamed imports, which you'll feel when you're pushing moldings or trimming veneered panels. That's not to say they're indestructible. Like any carbide tool, you still need correct feed, speed and dust control. The product pages and vendor listings have user reviews that highlight the durability and precision. People buying this as a one-box solution for cabinet makers and carpenters seem happy overall. For the shoot, demo a complex profile cut and show the before, after sanding to highlight finish quality. Pros: established pro-grade brand, consistent edge retention, broad selection of profiles. Cons: higher cost than anonymous kits, so justify it to viewers by showing how much less sanding you need. And the set can feel overkill if you only do a couple of simple cuts. As always, we share by links in description box so folks can check live pricing and pick the right option for their router.